Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Well, guys, blessed love. So yes, guys. So we're still here in West Milan. We're still here. As I say, we're here to complete our journey. What we were set out to do, to come down and to give the help that is needed. So I'm back here again with family, guys. I got a big family here in Kingston and also in the countryside. My family was spread out all over with the sun. Put on a glass a bit, don't mind. Alright, so most of you probably remember the video when I was down here, where his house is, where I brought D-Man go down here as well to meet my family. My Marvin, when I went to Roaring River to cook the pumpkin dumpling and the fish. So this is all family home, this is my family place. The Airbnb there, also that got a hit as well to buy Hurricane Melissa, and also this house as well, which is family house here and there. So now they're doing decking, because before it was the shingle roof, like those one that you see up there. It was shingle roof before, so now some work is going on. So we decided to stop off here, today. So we're here, we stop off. So they do some decking there. I remember the Airbnb there that they got a hit before, Alright, manners. The general living at the place here, me.
General, man. Mothers and respect, man.
Yes, see there.
That's cool, I hear that.
And them say a long time I watch the program as well, see,
Yeah, man, a long time man, I watch the program, man. And my wife, Precious, man.
Precious?
Yeah,
so
man.
big up Precious, no, man.
Yeah, man, Precious, stuff. Big up yourself. You just call me, say you're coming from church, seeing. Yeah, man, just big up yourself, man. Later, I'm call you, man.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You hear that Precious, so we're there with the family, them, cause cool. Imagine you never know, say me and Marvin a family. So the world is very small. That's why you have to live good in life, because you never know who you're gonna run into. So that's how it is, so we're there. Precious, big up yourself and thank you so much for watching Key Life in Jamaica. So we're here, in Bluefields. And we have another in-law family here. Right through, So we're there, guys, you can see the Airbnb got a hit as well too. So we're gonna show you what took place in there, and everything. So let's go see about Marvin. Marvin always around the fireside, One thing with Marvin, always around the fireside. So guys, look how the storm did. Look how it scraped the wall. This is what I was talking about, the way how the storm goes. Literally just eat the wall up. Just eat it like food. Just look at that. And over there is very, listen, this side of West Milan when I was driving down, the place looks so bad, it's so worse, coming this direction. Okay, if you take a look over here, let me show you for a minute. If you take a look on that hill over there, and you see all the houses that been devastated by it, some is just foundation left, nothing at all more than foundation. West Milan, this one, all the roof gone after that. gone, completely gone. Trust me. So now they're doing back some decking now, you know, so smarter way because last year, it was last year, the year before was Burrell, and now you have Melissa. So you never know what next year will. So we have to just think ahead. As I can see the roofing over by the Airbnb, that is damaged. And imagine the Airbnb just opened as well to the other day, you know, and then now we take this hit. So guys, here with Cousin Marvin, remember him face from the last time when the mango was down here and I was cooking the fish by Rowan River. I was just showing him the Airbnb at the time. So you know, Marvin is a man always in the kitchen, you know. Every one of my video, Marvin always cooking. So see you have the frying pan there. How are the cedar wood? No, pimento wood. So this is the pimento wood. You know, so once you say that, you know, say fish have to fry. Swim around have to fry. You know, guys, I don't know, say the Airbnb is under construction. It will definitely be back open soon and very soon, right, Marvin?
Yeah, man.
Soon and very soon it will definitely reopen. Yeah. So guys, you know what's gonna happen when time it's ready? I'm gonna come down here and shoot a video so you guys can know that it's reopened. So you can feel free to come book and spend some time with Akeynote Life in Jamaica families. You know, you have Marvin if you also spice up the swim around them for you and cook for you if you want and tour in the place. Right, Marvin?
A real thing, man.
Alright, so then say Marvin, what's on the menu? They prepare that. So guys, so we're gonna show you how I go on. So we have the team members over here who left back. We have the wow, you know. Oh, mommy.
Yeah.
Oh,
I want to go, man, you know. Then the West, you know, the Great West, you know. Yeah, man,
When
fried
the
fish the best, you know.
Yeah.
I eat, man, you see me, I say,
Yeah.
straight up, you know,
You know?
I eat, you know.
Yeah.
Man, I want it, man, know ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Don't worry,
I
man.
live and call a long time, I give you a yell out, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love and blessed, you know, you see me? Blessed love, man. There, man.
Yeah.
Boy,
Don't worry,
what
man.
you-
When the sun go down,
Yeah.
it's gonna feel like New York.
All right. That is it, you know.
So you prepare.
Yeah, man, prepare already, you know. In a car, yeah, man.
Leave that bus.
No, in a car, man.
Oh,
I
you
well
leave it in a
prepared
car.
this time, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Up and running this time, man. You know? Yeah, man. I eat, man.
You say I'm ready. And we have Baja
Yeah,
here.
man. As I say, bright now there, you know.
Straight.
Come do a little giveaways and
You know.
thing, you know.
Yeah.
So we have a little relaxation now, you know.
Oh, see that?
Camping
Relax
over.
back and
Yeah.
thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And
we just go and kick back and enjoy the moment.
Yes, I.
Yeah, so we the family ends, you know. As you can see, a Akeynote show you how for them place.
Yeah.
Get mash up and lick down in a butt. Yeah, Father God still guide them still.
I'm
Recover. You understand?
Last time I showed when this place was literally about to open and everything, and now look. And we have 30 grand.
Yeah, man, one on the gram. You see me, I say, hey, I'm a family man. You see me, I say, I don't have much to say right now, but we there I put in the good work, anyway. You see me, I say, I'm going to always bless up the youth name Akeynote, and I tell you.
Yeah.
I tell you, that youth is a real angel.
Yeah.
And
All of we are angel, man.
And anybody can do where we keep.
All of us are angel. We have to just
Big up to Akeynote again, man.
Find the
See me, I
purpose.
say, yeah, man. And all of the viewers all over the world, man. Yeah. I say, yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. And I appreciate everything you want to do. Yeah, man. That make it can work. That's Dream Team can make it work too. You see me, I say, yeah, man. So big up on yourself, everybody. Big up.
It
One
we have
team.
prefect.
30 grand.
Yes, sir.
One free fake as future.
Yeah.
Bless up the team. Yeah, man. Bless up the Akeynote. Father God.
Yeah.
Because we all make it possible, you know.
Yes, sir.
Own up on the outside while we on the inside.
Sure.
Looking in, looking out. We are looking even better.
Yes.
So just one love.
Yes, sir.
Love only. Bless up on yourself. Olive and Carla.
Big up.
Love, you know. Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Wishing a prosperous one. More life, good health, whole heap of success. And see him to the extended, you know, but Olive
Yeah.
and Carla, a Dream Team mother and father.
Yeah.
So you don't know, I love.
Yes.
Bless up.
Love and Lord. So guys, so this is the view. You know, this is the view from the Airbnb. You know, this is the view. You know, this is the view and all of that. So as I can see, this is all the rubber, the debris. you know, from what taking place. So I guess slabbing is going to take place right now, you know, moving forward. Well. Good morning, guys. Blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you're watching from, you know, so welcome. I am here in West Milan, you know, this morning. So, we literally just got up, you know, team members is up, everyone is up and everything. So, you know, today we're going to get the materials and those things before we head back into Kingston, you know. So 8 in the morning vibes rough, you know, very rough. So yeah, man, so we give thanks, guys. We thank each and every one of our subscribers them. We thank our lovely extended family and our viewers them. We thank them also. And remember, please, if you're watching, please always remember to put the thumbs up. Never forget to put the thumbs up. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, you're a part of the percentage who haven't subscribed, and you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe to Kina Life in Jamaica and just watch the movement of what's taking place, you know, on this program, you know, helping the less fortunate. So as you can see, the situation in West Milan, you know, is very devastated. It's terrible to look at, you know, to see how many things and what the people is going through, you know. But you know, in life things take time, you know. But Jamaica will rise strong again, definitely for sure, you know. But it will take time. So with time, we have that once we have life. Yeah, so as I was mentioning yesterday about where we're staying, yeah, because this is where we stayed down by my cousin, you know, with the Airbnb over there where they're working on now, you know, we literally got a hit by Melissa. You know, this house here never really got much of a damage, you know, so the shingles them did literally come off the rooftop and stuff, you know, but the Airbnb got the most damage. You know, so it's all same family house as well, this one and over there. So I'm gonna walk you through inside to show you the damage that literally take place. You know, so workman them is over there putting in the work early as it is. You know, trying to get this place up and running back up to speed and all of that. So them.
Yeah.
Rise and shine. I woke up.
Him say him have some Sunday, Monday, you know. So I eat my work. Yeah. I hot up, you know, make a go on. Deal with it, you know. Yeah, man. Wake up fresh again.
Man, my people, man, top of the morning again, man. You see me, I say rise and shine with the sun again. You see me, I say on a different side of the world in Jamaica with it. Yeah, man. So I just saw the things take more time, man. You see me, I say. So big up everybody. Yeah, man, and good morning again.
So what's what's going on?
Morning. No one have fruit in their buckle. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, I drink like a garlic tea for warm up my chest, you know. Yeah, man.
After all the rum.
Last I rum I drink last night, so I say, shatter one garlic tea. I'm a cup, let me just take it to the fridge and sit there.
So you take out the cup before you take out the tea. In take out the rum cup.
Take up a cup and put this on the floor, you know.
Before you even take out the tea.
That's what I say. Wow, you see?
And then when you see your bag of rum, usually you can just dash for this. But wash it, put it back in the fridge for another day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm there, I go all the vibes, that's what I say. Yeah, man, so eat the road, but at the time, you know.
And prefect down there, so I go and prepare a cup of tea.
Tea, that's what I say. Shake out the tea, right there, they say, no. There's something I really want and sugar on this.
Alright, so guys, I'll be giving a quick tour of what take place inside here. And everything. In general.
Man, I got respect, man.
Give them a look in. Cause, where you say the best place to start from? Up or down?
Anyway, two people can come and do what you do.
Yeah.
Very true.
So guys, so here what's happening now? Well, downstairs not really getting no damage, upstairs everything then. Okay, so guys, so basically them say when the wind come inside this house, it does pull everything and pull them left, pull them right. They call these doors as well to it burst up as well too. The wind of them, it bursts up the wind of them as well too. The kitchen window them that was here is like them say just pull them through. And I good in the grill here. So here you can see the window with the glass them damaged. This is the rubber of the window. So you can see the window there. This is the window here. You know, so literally it was trying to pull out the window as well too. But all of these windows downstairs got damaged. You know. So here's one still standing, but the next one got damaged. You know. And the doors them, him say pull the doors them like literally just bust them up. So let me show you how I go on upstairs. I like the staircase with the glass. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna deck. They're gonna deck the roof now. You know, this is the roof. No roof. Everything gone. Everything gone. So they're gonna apply them now. They're gonna lay them out because they're gonna deck the roof now. You know, it's moving forward. Knowing that no more shingles. You see a window here damaged. Good thing they never pull out all these. They're still inside here. Inside of this room, gone. Blue skies. Window gone. All blue skies. Only blue skies are seen. Blue skies, oh, this is concrete, so. This is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. The window damage as well, too. Like somebody fling a big stone through it. But that's what the hurricane did. So that's one bathroom there, that room there. This room never got any damage. This is the balcony. Here's another room over here as well too. Got damage, no roof. No roof, and this is the room with the view as well too. So when you open this window, you look outside here, this is what you're seeing. Good morning, world. And from the next window, you can see the water still here, tire damage, and none of that. And from the next window, this is your view as well too when you wake up. is what you see. Well, yeah, so you know what I'm saying? Everyone here is in a rebuilding, you know, so things will take time. This not a bathroom here. So, why it's like starting from scratch again when you literally just complete. Imagine you just complete this place, and when it was all rented, up and running, and now it's back to square one. Yeah, literally all back to square one. Yes, guys, so yeah, man, so you see like a tour of what's take place inside, you know, because I know one or two or a couple of you remember the previous video that was here the last time. You demo and go, you see what inside was looking, and then afterwards it did finish and it was did rented out and everything, people was booking in, and now it's back to ground zero, you know. So it's life, sometimes you just never know what will happen next. You know, that's why we have to give thanks for the day what we have each day, because tomorrow is the future, which is not promised, you know. So you never know. So we appreciate life so much even more. You know, so yeah, so we're gonna get prepared to head out now. Go meet up the recipient so we can head to the hardware and get the materials then, so we can go and take on the road afterwards. You know, so good morning, good evening, anywhere you are. It's evening, it's night, afternoon. Thank you so much. I know, stay tuned and put the thumbs up. You know, blessed love. Alright guys, so the truck is here. Alright, let's see. So we are Ruffy, morning Ruffy. Morning. So you know we're gonna head to the hardware now. The truck is here and everything. So we're ready. So you can go on ahead and go spin round. Hey, Roger, remember the measurement for the man?
Yeah man, 25, 2 before, 2 by 4 by 12 and 8, 1 by 3 by 12, and nail and everything.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're here at the hardware. Here at the hardware right now. Oh, you talk to him? Oh, Rama. Alright guys, so basically we're putting in the order right now to get the material for Rafi, and then we're gonna put in the order to get some material for Randel as well too, for the guy that's living outside also, you know. So they're here taking the first order. I'm gonna use the one truck to bring up everything, you know, so yeah, so you can see what's going on.
So the novice here?
Yeah, it's a 3 feet.
So just like one way order people.
Alright. Order 25 piece 2 by 4 by 12.
Yeah.
And 8 piece 1 by 3 by 60 because of that.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah.
And that will do
and 5 pound a 3-inch nail. And 3 pound a 2.5 inch wire nails.
And that will do all the framing.
Yeah, that will go on.
Okay. So the plier Rama now.
Yeah, the price.
It's like it is. So after no zinc, you know.
After that zinc.
Alright. And how much go up to?
200 and how much?
Maybe
50,000 once. 400. Yeah, 50.
Name, give me the name.
You know,
Your name, open him panel.
Vikas, where from? Vikas. You can find this.
It's not bite, it's not a teeth, you know, it's good.
25
Two, then I'll go.
Right from the walk right from. Oh, you can't clean this up. Do it.
15? A black bag. No, so two you can't two not go in the house.
No, might have a space.
You not have the space, so.
Alright.
So where you staying where you can go, so the kids them go and use it for the time, be like how they have the tile.
Same.
So you can thank the overcomers.
Yeah, man, I thank you, man, for everything, man. Trust me, man. One love, man. 100%. I'm glad for now, for you, 100%. You know, we need, you know?
Yeah.
You know, we need you, man. I'm glad for now, for you.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
So we give thanks to the overcomers for this blow up bed.
Yeah.
You know, because I'm sorry, Rafi is staying with relative, but the kids them is sleeping on the tile, you know. So this now will help them out. But this is a big queen one. And it's very big.
Yeah, man.
It's very big. So Rafi said them have generator up there where they may get that blow up. So yeah. They don't know if they operate it. So them here now loading on the materials and everything. So waiting.
How much is that?
Come on,
22.
22. Oh, one more now. 29. 29?
Yeah. So 5 more. Yeah.
So, 26 feet, we take done.
3 more. I same place I'm go. Yeah, but I chose different person.
Okay, so you can differentiate when you go there. This is a receipt already made of 25 by 2 before 12.
Yeah.
And 8 a lot. So it's short of 2 before 12.
Alright, so what have to do? Let us start it. Tie for them one.
Hold on.
Yeah,
before 12 and box 7. No problem.
Take other one, bro.
2 before 14.
Other one, the badger.
2 before 14. Hold on, stop. Don't put that. Put on it. 3 piece. 1 more. Next one, make a button my side. That's very good. Come before. Only more. One more piece of food.
Let down 2 piece more.
I want the bed.
Come on, if it bend the other way, it's good enough.
Eh?
What's your name? Are you here? Yeah. Yeah, rest everything over there. Hold on, you have to push over the other one. You can't push over them. Hey, hold that one.
Alright guys, so the truck is loaded. Yeah, most of the things then, so what happened now, we get 10 more Salitex, so we're gonna stop at the next hardware and pick them up. You know, and then we pay a difference of some groove and tongue that literally there. So we're gonna do that and then literally head on back to by Beeston Spring, drop off these materials and then head on back to Kingston. So we're pushing up now. Oh, 30 grand up on the truck. 30 grand up on the truck.
How him?
Him up on the truck.
You have to prone to
The man hold the car and then me I tell you say about. Come fly him up there because let them out going. Alright guys, so they look like Zaro. You watch the movie Zaro? Yeah. So we just reached back by Shady Grove. They're up here in Beeston Spring. So we're gonna drop off these materials. They're gonna drop off these materials, you know, and head on. Come now. Come now, Rafi brother.
Come in. Boss up here. Two. Leg of the line here. Leg of the line.
Yeah, man, I'm sure them don't go.
Hey, the place quiet, you know, man. The place quiet and the truck lock off, you can hear the place quiet. This is solitude up here.
Watch it carry, yeah?
This is so quiet. As a pin drop, you can hear it, trust me.
Yes, we see it.
It's like,
Yeah, we see it.
guys, like no one that live around here. It's like no one live here. Hear the place quiet, man, Baja.
Yeah. Nothing. I do no correct no there, man.
Huh?
I do no correct no there.
Go on.
Do no correct no there.
Oh.
The correct man there, you're nice, man.
Like yes, music, yes.
Yeah, man, yeah, music. All about them, man, but it just blow away, every music blow it around it. Every music blow it. And some of them hell of a sound now. Blow it down, man.
Yeah.
Blow it.
And Randel over there.
You know, accent people.
know you move them at today, you know.
Yeah?
You know you move them today.
You're not clear enough, you
And they can't turn their son, they've been up if they stay in
Them boy come move, you have to come move.
See, they are coming. Them boy come run now.
Them boy must come.
Them time I run them little by little. Remember the one for
Yeah, man, we're fucking.
for Randel?
Right to the glass.
Yeah.
We're not going to get somebody.
Yeah.
For them can. They two, eh? No, we're pack them right.
No, man, don't get over this, man.
All right.
Yeah.
You can't carry them over there.
Mm-hmm.
Right, sir. Do them lot. Look at that, brother. Start my man. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Whoa, Ed.
Put that to
Guys, the place is so quiet, boy. It's been a while I haven't been somewhere and the place is so quiet. Even though there's no light in the area, but trust me, the stillness of this place, the mind can be so silent, so easy, and quiet the mind.
Yo, don't let it go again, yeah? I'm coming in.
You hear him? You hear him? Randel. Randel. Oh, you stay appropriate? I put on one pants. Okay, so this is where he's living, you know, because him house blow down right across there. So this is what he set up for the minute. Some tarpaulin, you know, so he's literally still in bed, so he's putting on a pants to come out, you know, so morning sir. Morning. Wake you up. That wake you. There's a lie down. The sun hot and the tarpaulin make it more hotter. Oh. Eh? Oh yes, right here cook.
Yeah.
So you say put this out
Yeah.
when the sun hot.
Yes, and I can not hot, you know.
Oh. Just to get some fresh breeze.
Yeah. Thanks for what you do for me, you know.
Yeah?
Thanks for what you do for me.
Yeah, man. You deserve it, man. No one should be living like this, you know. So those are your medication?
Yeah.
For your nerve?
Yeah.
Oh.
Weak.
Huh?
Let me not tell them me weak more, you know.
Okay. So you're feeling much better from before, as what you said?
Yeah.
So we get the material and now them can start the foundation and start the framing and then ply it around. So the next thing we're gonna need to get then is some zinc. You know, you're gonna need some zinc and Solitex after.
Yeah.
Yeah. You bring it back?
Yeah.
Or your valuables inside it?
And this, you know.
Or your meditation?
Save me a little.
Because you're not going far out there, so you're going.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to come back out there, you know. I tell her my auntie there.
Oh, you're going to stay out there and sit down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Carla, my auntie, man.
Carol, your auntie, yeah. Okay. No, like it's so stressing to see, you know, one's going through something like this. It's so stressing. Huh?
Yeah, I still about 20 each time me never any, you know.
Oh, you will look them
Yeah.
posts here. Wow. Hmm? Mm-hmm.
Come in now.
No, put them over here. Don't mix them. I know the boy now. Never better. Talaga tulad sa parang boy, I can't put them on the lot here. Bend them. I put them where they are.
Randel, so you eat already for morning?
Make some porridge, yeah.
Oh, you make some porridge? Okay, good, good. You take your medication?
One time.
So how many times a day you take your medication?
One day, we take 3 times a day.
Oh, 3 times a day?
One of them.
Oh, one of them?
But yeah, one of them buy, me no buy from one, you know.
Oh, you not buy from when?
Yeah.
What happened?
Come here, no money, buy one.
Oh, how much for that?
Can't get all of it, $1,000.
Oh, for $1,000?
Yeah.
Okay. I give you money make you buy it as well, too, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll give you some money so you can get it started. Yes, this is $5,000, yeah? That's $5,000, so you can use the $1,000 to buy the medication, and you can use the $4 to get some more stuff to eat, yeah? Or anything that's needed. Yeah? Yeah, man. So I'll keep you posted. Okay? So cause say you wanna get some man to come help work. Yeah, start the foundation first and then start to frame out. And then multiplies them, yeah?
Yeah, Roman.
Yeah, Roman. So you might start that soon as possible. Right? So by then now we try and see if we can get some zinc for you and them stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So we'll see you back again soon, right?
Right, thanks, you know.
Alright then, big up, yeah?
Respect.
So let's go and take it easy and nobody worry yourself too much, okay?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Thank you, you know.
yeah, man.
You love miss
Yeah.
Auntie.
I can thank the overcomers.
Yeah, thank you.
So let's still say overcomers, thank you. So
Welcome, thank you. Very much.
you know, so
You love me lunch with me, yeah?
yeah?
You love me lunch with me.
Yeah.
Randel, me name, you know.
Randel, yeah, man, I know Randel in here. So go and take it easy, yeah?
Thanks.
Alright. Then.
Overcome.
Overcomers.
Thanks.
Yeah. Alright then, bless up, yeah?
Yeah, respect.
Alright. We go link we go link Rafi now and get Rafi theme thing. We go link Rafi and theme this. Alright now guys, so what we're gonna do with the Rafi donation that we raise and everything, we spend materials in 300,000. Go check back the receipt, you know, because in total donation was about 400,000, right? So we spent like 300,000 plus we're gonna pay for the delivery as well too, and then I'm gonna give him the rest for him to get his windows then sort out. Yeah? Yeah. So this is our Rafi material where he's gonna get help to bring them up, you know. Trust me, Rafi had the work cut out. Rafi got his doors them as well too, drywall, Celtex, and all the boards them and everything. So them start bringing up some stuff already.
Yeah man, I want man money if I get the boy and tell the boy for last time he gone.
Yeah. So alright then, so you see the windows them are 30,000 you say for one?
Yes, he would say with everything.
Okay. So you get most everything right now.
Yeah man.
You know, so that's the windows left. So how much you chop man they say?
No, he didn't tell me no. He didn't tell me how much.
So you don't want to know so we can give him this out of this and then just give it the rest. Call the driver there. Yeah. So Baja. Yeah. So Baja, count the rest of this similar please what we have left over. So in total we can spend about what, 300,000, right? Yeah.
10. Hold on. 10.
Sticky here.
Yeah, but watch them now and then squeeze up, you know.
30.
They will squeeze up.
40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 1, 2, 3, 7. Alright, so 10. Oh, more than 10. Check that 10, 100, that's it.
Is that 100?
Yeah, 130.
103.
Yeah.
103.
Yeah.
So 103.
It's almost 450.
103,450 $. So that's your balance of what left over. Driver, how much was your thing for everything?
15 for everything.
15. So you're paying the 15.
No, no, for taxi.
15,000. Give him the 5 then man and you keep the change.
That me I don't.
No, give him the 5.
Round or so.
This.
Oh, yes.
15 say. Alright. Respect as well too.
What do you man have to walk down with me?
Yeah, you drop you back at the vehicle so we can head on back to our things. So Rafi, let me say that now you can get you a couple windows with what you have left over.
Yeah.
Right? So that can at least get you 3 windows.
Yeah, about 3 windows.
Yeah. I say you need 4.
4.
Well, that can get you 3.
That's right.
You know?
That's right.
So the least now leave it to the Almighty same because the Almighty been doing so much already.
How do you man?
You know,
I real
so
man, you know, man.
everything.
Man, I say man in everything, you know, man. Man in everything. No care see time, but you know, in there, you know. Yeah.
I said just go and hold up strong, see me, you know, so the focus with you now is out the way. So we want to give Randel now a little strength now if he can get back on film feed. You know, I want to thank our excellent family, you know, the overcomers, you know, each and every one, Rob, you know, from New York, each and every one that make it possible, you know, because there's so much name to call, you know yourself, Felicia, Rob, Magic. You know what, I don't want to call any names and forget any names, you know, but you all know yourself that donated to Rafi cause, you know, yes, and we thank you so much.
Oh God.
And Rafi.
100% man, thanks man. Big up brother, I love you know, for what you do for me. 100%. I love that, you know. God bless you man, love you man. 100%. Thanks man. Big help to me, brother. Oh God. Only God can do this, man. Yeah.
Why it causes why pressure off your shoulders because before we know how they really break down and you know come and see the video where you cry and thing.
Man,
you know.
Rough, you know. It's rough, man. Rough, but give God thanks. Give him all the glory, brother.
Yeah.
Get a nice help, man, and good start, man. Far up you push me, man. Far up, brother.
Yeah, man.
Remember me tell you. I'm grateful, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Grateful,
sir.
man.
And we know, as I say, we honor, you know, we're in a dream team, you know, is here, we're doing our purpose, you know, to try to assist. Because remember, you know, when we leave in this place, this universe, I always say that we're not leaving with nothing. So at least we can show the compassion, we can show the love while we're here, because we realize, say, that thing, money, it cannot bring it. You know, it just support the cause of us supporting each other. But we need the love across the board, because if the love wasn't in our excellent family, then we would have sent this that's gonna reach out, you know. So
that's why I'm telling myself, work for blessing and blessing will come your way.
Yes.
Not you?
Of course, of course.
Alright, sir.
And that's how it works. So Baja, let me say we cannot stop thank them, you know.
As we are saying, yeah man, big up everybody who make this possible. When you hear the cry and reach out, boy, Father God will continue to bless you and support you. Because you're all here for a purpose. You understand, to get us through life journey. And this is one of the journey where we all have to travel. As Akeynote say, we come here but we left in back with nothing. So whatsoever we have here and be someone else will inherit along the line. So all that you don't know is for generation to come after and follow the example. Thank you. Thank you for everything. And support. Father God will continue to bless and guide you. That's why you can be able to support more.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Rafi?
Yeah, man.
Blessings, family.
Holy power respect, man.
Yeah?
Holy power respect.
Blessings, family.
Remember me tell you, enough respect. How do you, man? Holy power respect, man.
Yeah, man. You're a giver, you know.
Yeah, man.
So a giver will always receive.
Yeah.
That's right.
It's not for yourself alone. So that's why Father God knows you're one of the worthy ones.
No, never be misspend myself, brother.
No.
For me and you to come up.
Yeah, man.
Me always love you.
No. From
So,
must say no.
Talk about the greatness, you know, man.
Yeah, man. No, man is a giver.
Yeah.
So a no thing a carry on.
Yeah.
So in a youth.
I tell you, man, we come like your uncle up, you know.
Yeah.
We don't even know him. You don't know him. Shorty father.
Okay.
Austin.
Yeah. No, man, me know Austin, man. Me know Austin.
They don't dash over that. See you, brother. I see you, brother.
No, me know Austin. Yeah.
You want one room? Yeah, everything take time. A lot of room needed around here, boy. Yeah, a lot.
So, how you roll, I go down
here? Okay, we'll go on the work. Alright, Rafi, we'll go up on the work.
Yeah.
30 grand.
Yeah, man, Rafi, man.
Holy power respect, man. Yes, man. Every time, man. Yeah, man.
Wow, wallet. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Until that time,
Yeah. Alright, guys, so you know we're going to take on the road because the driver going to drop us back down to the flat.
Wow, shots coming in, man.
Because we're up in the hill.
Yeah, man.
You have to ask.
I never get.
Yeah, so we give thanks, guys. I'm going to say, if you can continue to support for anything you can give, you know, your private blessings, you know, anything, it's all needed. You know?
Yeah, man.
General. So what go? We are connect, man, yeah? Yeah. We are connect. Randy.
When we are
I'll come back down here for about next week or two. Yeah? Yeah, man. You call and make you know, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, after all. Pick up
That's a lot you do, you know.
Yeah. You see the washing brush and everything there.
I'll tell you, say that's why you're complaining.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better